Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStreet.com, and today we are here at the ZTE booth and we have the ZTE Blade S6 with us, which actually looks like an iPhone copy, I would say. This looks like an iPhone 6 replication which they have done. It comes with Android Lollipop 5.0. It has 4G connectivity as well. It is going to be an affordable Android phone which will come. The kind of look and feel you get on this one, as you can see, is very much like an iPhone, but the quality of material which has been used over there at the backside is plastic. So this is plastic all over with the silver finishing, and we have a camera over there at the backside which is a 13 megapixel camera. We have autofocus camera as well. This is an autofocus camera. It can record high definition video. Then we have the front camera which is 5 megapixel over there. We have nice metallic earpiece over there, a proximity sensor and the ambient light sensors, and then we have the home button over there which is there at the middle at the bottom. The display is good. The display clarity is also very nice. You can see the display from almost any angle. Color protection is nice. Viewing angles are good. We have 2 GB of RAM inside and 16 GB of internal memory. So everything is good on this device, including the display, which is a high definition display, and it is 720x1280. We have GPS support as well, proximity sensor, gesture as well, and then you have gesture sensor as well. So this is how it looks like. The build quality is again not too great, but the look and feel is very good. As far as the SIM card slot is concerned, we have a SIM card slot and a micro SD memory card slot as well to expand the storage. So you can expand the storage. This is how the display looks like, and it looks very similar in terms of the look and feel if you compare it with an iPhone 6. So in case you cannot buy an iPhone 6 because of the price, you can buy this one, which is going to be an affordable octa-core phone which will support 4G as well. And when it comes to the phone dialer, this is how the phone dialer looks like. You can easily dial the number, and again the phone dialer and the UI is also very much inspired from the iOS. So this is a kind of iOS UI which you get on this phone. Although you do not get the option of making a video call, which is not possible. Taking a look over the messaging application, here we have the messaging application over there. And again, it is kind of stock Android. This is how the keyboard looks like. They have given a touchpad keyboard, so you can do swipe to type on this device, which is very nice. So swipe to type is supported. It does give you these suggestions, and whenever you tap on these keys, you do not get a pop-up, but that is not a major problem. Let's take a look over the internal settings of the phone, and it is running Lollipop, I guess. Let's just confirm that. So we do have Lollipop 5.0.2, which is very good, and then we have the model which is Blade S6, which is also nice. It is having a Qualcomm chipset inside, which is MSM8939, 4G chipset it is. And when we talk about the storage, we have the storage information over there, which is 16 GB inside. So out of 16 GB, the total which is being used by the system is 4.41, and you will get approximately 3 GB available to the user for the ROM, and 7.63 GB is total available. So 7.63 GB is something which you will get. And then we take a look over the application scenario. Here we have the applications, and then we have the current applications running, and I can find out the current status of the RAM. So out of 2 GB of RAM which we have on this phone, we have 1.3 GB of RAM available, which is available to the user. So you can install applications, store picture, videos. You can actually play high definition games without any issues on this phone with this much amount of RAM available. You also have display settings, and you have support for automatic. You do have support for adaptive brightness, which is good. Let's take a look over the camera performance now, and for that we will launch the camera. Here we have the camera UI. Let me just get rid of this. Yeah, here we have the camera UI. It is a very extensive kind of camera UI with a lot of options. For a normal consumer, this is kind of a complex camera UI, I would say. And I will take a photo of my iPhone 6 as of now to show you the clarity. So this is how the camera look like. Let me just focus. It does have tap to focus, and it can take the photos pretty quickly. So this is how the photo look like, especially the rear camera photo is concerned. It is pretty good in terms of clarity, and the color protection is also good. Talking about the front camera, let's just take a look over the front camera now, and for that we have to toggle it to the front camera. And let me take a selfie.
I know they're coming in.
So we have taken the selfie from the front camera, and it is looking good, I would say. The colors are something which I'm not liking much, but it has taken this selfie in this kind of light condition, which is very different. And the selfie is looking good. I can see the details, and the colors are being nicely produced. The overall color balance is not that great, but that is because of the light scenario which we have. In daylight or in low light, you can take pretty good selfies from this phone, which has a pretty good camera at the front, a 5 megapixel camera, but it is a fixed focus camera. All in all, this looks like a pretty good phone. It does have the option of sharing the internet as well. So you can create a portable Wi-Fi hotspot by checking this option over there. So you have that option, which is good. And this phone looks like a decent phone. If it comes for a very good price in India, then it should be a good option. Let's see at what pricing they launch it. Thanks for watching this video. In case you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. You can like this video if this video helps you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.